Number 1. 1968 Dodge Pickup, $3,500, Salem, Oregon. This 1968 Dodge half-ton long bed pickup is a solid swept-line-era truck powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It retains much of its original character, including manual steering, manual brakes, deluxe trim, and upgraded power bucket seats. The truck reportedly runs and drives well. Although it shows typical rust, dents, and wear, it remains structurally solid and offers an affordable entry into classic truck ownership with excellent restoration or preservation potential. Number 2. 1969 Chevrolet C10, $4,500, Colwich, Kansas. The 1969 Chevrolet C10 is one of the most popular classic pickups of its era. This largely original example is powered by a 307 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, fresh fluids, a new master cylinder, and rebuilt brakes. Despite some rust, the truck appears honest and solid, making it an affordable classic with strong collector appeal. Number 3. Crown Victoria, swapped 1966 Ford F100, $4,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1966 Ford F100 combines classic styling with modern drivability thanks to its 2008 Mercury Grand Marquis chassis. The swap provides improved suspension, steering, braking, and overall road manners. The truck runs and drives, and much of the major fabrication work is already complete. With vintage air climate control and several included parts, it presents an attractive restomod project at a reasonable price. Number 4. 1976 GMC K15 Sierra, $4,900, New River, Arizona. This 1976 GMC K15 Sierra is a well-equipped four-wheel drive truck featuring a 350 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, air conditioning, locking differential, and skid plates. Although it has not run since 2018, its originality and factory equipment make it an appealing restoration candidate for collectors seeking a classic four-wheel drive pickup. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet Scotsdale C20 Camper Special, $4,800, Snohomish, Washington. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, this 1970 Chevrolet Scotsdale C20 Camper Special is a solid square body truck with desirable heavy-duty equipment. Recent mechanical work includes a new carburetor, fuel system components, alternator, and fuel tank. With minimal rust and strong overall condition, it appears ready for continued enjoyment. Number 6. 1988 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 Crew Cab, $3,500, Nehalem, Oregon. This 1988 GMC Sierra Classic Crew Cab is a desirable square-body four-wheel drive truck featuring a rebuilt engine with approximately 90,000 miles since completion. While it needs cosmetic attention, the truck reportedly runs very well and offers excellent value for buyers looking for a practical and collectible classic pickup. Number 7. 1955 Dodge Pickup, $8,500, Las Cruces, New Mexico. This 1955 Dodge Pickup offers classic styling, V8 power, and a 4-speed manual transmission. Its simple design provides the traditional driving experience many collectors appreciate. The seller claims the truck is rust-free, a major advantage for a vehicle of this age. It appears well-suited for preservation, light restoration, or regular weekend use. Number 8. 1978 Ford F-250 Supercab, $8,000, Lapine, Oregon. This 1978 Ford F-250 Supercab is powered by a desirable 460 cubic inch V8 backed by a durable C6 automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt carburetor, speakers, and cab lights. With its clean appearance and Supercab configuration, the truck offers versatility for cruising, towing, or future customization. Number 9. 1971 Dodge D100 Pickup, $6,500, Morris, Illinois. This 1971 Dodge D100 is a driver-quality classic pickup with recent upgrades, including a new carburetor, battery, brakes, and fuel sender. While some rust is present, the bed, floors, and cab corners remain solid. Its dependable road manners make it an enjoyable classic truck for regular use. Number 10. 1987 Ford F-250 Custom 4x4, $9,500, Nampa, Idaho. Powered by a 5.0-liter V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, this 1987 Ford F-250 Custom remains a capable and functional four-wheel drive truck. Recent maintenance includes a new clutch, rear main seal, and brake components. Additional features such as dual fuel tanks and a fifth-wheel hitch add to its practicality. Number 11. 1972 GMC 1500 Long Bed, $9,500, Bray, California. This 1972 GMC 1500 Long Bed pickup is equipped with a powerful 454 cubic inch V8 and turbo 400 automatic transmission. It remains a running and driving truck with a clean title. Minimal rust and a documented ownership history increase its appeal, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking a classic big block truck. Number 12, 1973 Ford F100 long bed, $4,500, Riverside, California. This 1973 Ford F100 Custom presents a promising restoration project. Equipped with an automatic transmission and showing only 59,000 miles, it retains much of its original character. The truck currently cranks but does not start and reportedly needs a fuel tank. With a clean title, it provides a solid foundation for revival. Number 13, 1984 Dodge W150 4x4, $800, Middletown, Indiana. At only $800, this 1984 Dodge W150 is an affordable four-wheel drive project truck. The seller reports a solid body and clean title. Its primary issue appears to be a damaged or missing fuel line. For budget-minded enthusiasts, it offers significant potential at a very low entry price. Number 14, 1953 Dodge B3B pickup, $12,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1953 Dodge B3B has been upgraded with a 318 cubic inch V8 and 904 automatic transmission, improving drivability while preserving its classic appearance. With no rust and numerous recent mechanical upgrades, it reportedly runs and drives very well, making it an attractive turnkey vintage truck. Number 15, 1955 Chevrolet 6400 truck, $12,000, Hobart, Oklahoma. Originally a brush fire truck, this 1955 Chevrolet 6400 reportedly accumulated only 13,000 original miles before being stored indoors for many years. Now powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 and fitted with an 8-foot flatbed, it offers rarity, historical significance, and excellent collector appeal.